You might be the one hindering your growth and overall success on YouTube if you refuse or ignore to do these three things that I'm going to share with you in this video. Welcome to this YouTube channel. This is Amos, and on this channel, I share YouTube tips that helps individual, every one of us, to grow our channels in short period of time and start cashing out on YouTube. Now, you might not be getting views, might not be getting impression as it's supposed to be, as you expected on YouTube, and that is because you have refused to do certain things that I'm going to shed light to in this video. So, if this is the kind of videos you would like to see, why not take a few seconds to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification, and then share this video. Then sit back and watch this video till this very end. Because by the very end of this video, you would have learned everything you need to grow your YouTube channel before this year runs to an end. Now, I'm going to share with you three things that you need to do on your YouTube channel to make YouTube to start recommending your video, thereby bringing you traffic and views to your channel, and which will translate to increasing your watch hour, your subscriber, and earns you money. Now, what are these three things? I am going to start with number three, and number one is the most important of them, which most new YouTubers ignore. Number three is your thumbnail. No one actually cares about you. Concerning this, no one, not even a single person, cares about you. It is your thumbnail that attract them, because that is what they will first see before they see your title. It is your thumbnail that is going to attract them. When they now see your thumbnail, then they will look down and check your title. What is the title saying? Now, that is the number one thing. You need to work harder on your thumbnail. It has to be very catchy. It must have hook. Now, most of new YouTubers are making this huge mistake. They will write a lot of words on their thumbnail, so making it too difficult for people who view the video. They will just be like, "Oh, you should just, instead of putting a lot of words on your thumbnail, you just have to put short words, and then in your title you have to put something catchy as well that talks about what you really shared in that video. You have to work on your thumbnail. It is now most of us, we are making this mistake. We want to show our face. It is not necessary for you to show your face. Your face is not what they actually need. What viewer needs is not your face, but what you provide, the value that you provided, and that will first be seen in your thumbnail. It is in your thumbnail that they are going to first see it before they proceed to clicking the video. Now, you need to work so hard on it. Instead of using your face, since you are a beginner, you can always use another thumbnail by going to platform like freepic.com. You can get good free pictures that you can use to edit, that you can use for your thumbnail. Edit something good, something very catchy. Write something that will be very catchy, that will make people to wanting to click the video. That is the first step you need to work on. It is very important, and most of us, we are missing this. You can use Canva to edit your thumbnail. You can use some other platform. Just go to Google or any other browser, search for where you can get free pictures, free background images that you can use to edit. Just ensure that your thumbnail is catchy enough to grab people's attention. Number two is your audience retention. If at this point you are yet to subscribe, why not take a few seconds now to subscribe and like this video. Now, the second one, like I said earlier, is your audience retention. Now, viewers have clicked on your video. wanting to watch the video, but unfortunately, you have nothing, you add nothing to hook them that could make them continue with what they are watching. Let's say your video is about 8 minutes long, which is necessary for you as a YouTuber, but not compulsory. It is not compulsory for you to make it 8 minutes long. If you know that the 8 minutes video is not going to add value, if only 2 or 3 or 4 minutes of it is going to add value, why not make it shorter? But most of us, we want to, because we know that longer videos brings in more money, to ensure that we add unreasonable things to the video to make it longer. And by so doing, you are affecting your channel even more, because your audience retention matters. You made an 8 minute video, and viewers only watch 1 minute or less than 1 minute. Even 2 minutes is not enough. Even 2 minutes is not enough. Now, when they bounce back, they view the video within 5 to 10 seconds and they bounce back 1 minute, they bounce back. It is sending message to the algorithm that this video that I just watched is not worth it. It does not watch pushing. This is a bad signal to the YouTube algorithm, and this will definitely make YouTube to stop recommending your video. Even if the algorithm have started recommending it, it will be forced to stop recommending it, because YouTube wants people to stay longer on their platform. They have competitors. They want viewers to be satisfied. So instead of picking your own channel and recommend next time, they will pick another channel instead to recommend. So it is very important to provide value in your video. If your video is supposed to be 3 minutes, 2 minutes, even 1 minute or 4, 5 minutes, let it be so. Let it stop there. Don't hesitate on making it 8 minutes long because you want to earn. It shouldn't be. And the third things that you need to work on is what most beginners often miss. They don't do it. Probably they are not aware that, oh, they need to do it. And that is adding keywords to your channel. I'm not talking about adding keywords to your video. I am talking about adding keywords, the necessary keywords in your channel settings. This is very compulsory. But before you can do this, you will need to go to your YouTube studio using your browser. This time you are not going to be using your the main app. You are going to be using the browser. So once you open the browser, you have to tap on the setting, tap on upload, just like what you see me attached here. So touch on upload, then you need to put keywords that are related to your niche. If you are in the autos niche, if you are into the comedy niche, if you are into another niche, any niche you are, maybe car review, auto niche, entertainment niche, whatever it is, you have to add related tags, related keywords to it. So when you add it, this will force YouTube to know what exactly your channel is about. But once you provide the related keywords to the niche, it will make it super easy. And by so doing, YouTube will start recommending your channel, your videos to people who needs what you talk or make videos about. You need to work on these three things. You need to work on these three things. They are very important to getting YouTube recommending your videos. Now, I have talked about what is the first thing. The first thing is your thumbnail, and that is what's the first thing, and that is the first thing that people will see. The second thing is your audience retention, and the third thing is is adding related keywords to your YouTube channel. You have to do it. It is these three things are very important. Ensure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then like this video and don't forget to turn on the notification. I believe you derive value in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye.